The iOS 18 Control Center is highly customizable, giving you access to dozens of toggles, even allowing third-party apps to offer Control Center toggles for the first time. That's why it's so strange that there are still no individual toggles for toggling on Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, AirDrop, and HotSpot. In this guide, I will show you how to add these toggles to Control Center in iOS 18. One of the best things about iOS 18 Control Center is that you can add and run shortcuts. We will use this feature to add our missing toggles. We will show you how to create these shortcuts, but if you don't want to do that, you can click the link in the video description to open our written guide and download the shortcuts from there. Launch the Shortcuts app on your iPhone and tap the plus button in the top right corner to create a new shortcut. Search for the Set Wi-Fi action and tap to add it to the shortcut. Tap the Turn field and choose the toggle option. Tap the arrow next to the toggle's name and then tap the Choose icon option. Give it a color and the appropriate Wi-Fi symbol. Finally, tap the Done button to save it. While the iPhone Control Center offers a Bluetooth toggle, it doesn't turn off the Bluetooth. It just makes the device undiscoverable. So let's create a toggle that actually turns off Bluetooth. Like before, tap the plus button to start a new shortcut. Search for the Set Bluetooth action and tap to add it. Change the Turn action to Toggle. Use the Choose icon option to add the correct icon and color. Similarly, let's create the HotSpot and AirDrop shortcuts. Now that we have created these shortcuts, let's add them to Control Center in iOS 18. Swipe down from the top right corner to open Control Center, tap the plus button to get into customization mode, and then tap the Add a Control button. Scroll down to the Shortcuts section and tap on the shortcut toggle. Tap the Choose button and select any of the 4 shortcuts we created. Tap anywhere on the screen to add it to a space in the Control Center. By default, the shortcut will take 2 spaces. Use the corner drag handle to reduce it to 1 space. Now use the same steps to add the remaining 3 toggles. Since I am running the beta software on my iPhone, sometimes the custom icon doesn't show and I see a generic shortcut icon. If you are not running the beta software, you will see the custom icons you have set, making the toggle indistinguishable from the native Control Center icons. Tapping on the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and Hotspot icons will toggle them on and off. Tapping the AirDrop toggle will present you with the options to switch between off, contacts only and everyone for 10 minutes mode. That's it. You have now added the missing Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, Hotspot and AirDrop icons to the Control Center. Click on these videos next to learn more about iOS 18 features. I will see you there. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.